The original Hollow Knight came out 9 years ago, and its team is still cranking out updates. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your tech and gaming hub. According to a report, Team Cherry just fixed a bug with the original Hollow Knight. The update involves a glitch regarding an attack from the Radiance, one of the final bosses of the game. At later stages, she tosses out these owning balls of light. These are difficult to avoid on their own, but a glitch made those balls of light occasionally linger in the air after finishing. This added yet another way for the player to take some damage and led to numerous unnecessary deaths. And this has now been fixed. The patch notes say the developers fixed Radiance's orb attack hitbox lingering slightly longer than intended if the orb expires in the air. This is great news for brand new players and frustrating news to people who've been trying to avoid those lingering orbs for the better part of a decade. Better late than never, right? We don't know why the company tackled this particular issue right now. Maybe it's because of the success of the long-awaited sequel, Hollow Knight Silksong, that's been driving new players to the original release. It's also possible they just now got around to it. The new patch includes other stuff, like raising the volume when navigating the inventory and adding more journal notification icon. The team has been pumping out updates for Silksong as well, even though it isn't Ubisoft or Nintendo, but a relatively small team. Team Cherry recently added traditional Chinese and German language options as well, which had become a sticking point for some. It's also busy working on the game's first major DLC expansion called Sea of Sorrow. Will you try to take on Radiance now? Tell us in the comments. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.